the whole Medina. Look at this. It's so nice.
Oh, I've heard of them. Mamulia Hotel. It's really nice.
Nandito, tinutour niya kami sa Medina. So this is the old Medina. Earlier on was the new Medina. Ayan. So ayan yung old Medina nila. May mga hotel din dito pero parang hindi ko kaya yata dito mag-ano sa hotel na to. Yeah, parang Divisoria siya. May mga textile. Ayan, may mga spices. Sorry, may van. Ayan. So, parang lang tayo nasa Divisoria. So, tinala niya kami dito sa typical Moroccan restaurant. Oh, nice. Look at that. Ayan yung Moroccan, typical Moroccan restaurant nila. So this will gonna be our first food. It is so nice. Are you hungry now, Arla? Ayan, sobrang ganda dito. Ito yung first restaurant namin at ito yung pangalan ng restaurant. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-pronounce. Para siyang French. So, meron kaming sarili. Tipo? Hello? Hello? Say hi, Arlo.
He goes, everybody, get on the boat. Do you remember in the park? And I said, oh, no, everybody wants to get in the boat.
Everybody. I was listening to the car and the music is like, that's the music. Everybody is there. I remember Ireland is like, remember that music? I think I recorded it.
So, Ate Nice, what can you say?
Never.
Well done. No, well done though.
Thank you.
You done well.
Wow. Jamie say what?
Very well done, just like a beef steak, isn't it? Like a steak, beef steak, steak.
Wow.
Very well done. It's burnt.
Beautiful.
Ayan ang view namin. Yan. Old Medina.
I think it's 2 hours.
Oh, there's a lot of camels. Ang daming camel. So, welcome to our villa. Kararating lang po namin. Ito po yung villa na hinire namin for the whole family. Yan. So we just arrived to our villa. So I'm gonna tour you around. So this is the parking space. And then at the back, some patios. We have a small swimming pool. Ayan. So magsiswimming na mga bata. Ayan. So medyo malaki-laki yung garden nila. We hired the whole villa for the entire family. Ayan. This is the main entrance. That's Alo. Nandito pa yung mga luggage namin. Ito yung living area. So may mga billiard kami dito. Ayan, pwedeng maglaro mamaya. Ayan. So, nandito pa yung mga naglinis. So, we're checking the bedrooms. How many bedrooms do we have? 9? So, ito yung mga bedrooms. Actually, this is the toilet. This one is maybe another toilet. I'm not sure. Is this bedroom? So I'm going upstairs. Another living space. Yan, ang laki niya. Sobrang laki. So, pag party namin on Saturday at least. So, bedroom 1. Twin bed. I think it's 9. 9 bedrooms. And suite. Ayan. Where's the bed sheets then?
What time is it? It's supposed to be done.
Exactly. Another bedrooms. So medyo malaki to. Yan, there's another bedrooms here. Ito naman, 3 siya. Ito 3 din. 3 single beds. Ayan. Bali, siyam to. Yung iba, double bed. I think 5 double beds. This is double bed?
There's no AC as well.
Oh, wow. Oh, God.
Wow.
So, parang pare-pareho na yung mga bedrooms. Basta siyam siya. So, the whole family is hanging, huh? So, ito. This is Ate Leland's room. So, I think we need to cancel the dinner. I'm just joking, I don't know. Medyo pagod na po kami. Ayan na po. So, dinner ko na kayo. Ayan. Medyo malaki din to. Diyan yung mga lutuan. So, nag-grocery na kami kanina, mga water. Pinuno na namin yung fridge. Ayan yung water. Ayan, nila kami ng mga soft drinks. Tapos nilagyan na rin namin yan, mga laman ng ref. Ayan. Ayan. So gusto na mag-swimming ng mga bata. Hindi ko alam kung lalabas pa kami for dinner. Medyo napagod na mga lola. So, to be continued siguro mamaya. So look, Arlo's enjoying now. Arlo? Arlo? Arlo, say hi to Tita. Arlo, say hi to Tita. Are you happy?
I'm happy, Arlo.
Yeah?
How much do you want?
Arlo,
Arlo, Tita's talking to you.
happy?
Yeah, it's fine. You look like this like more.
Ayan na, nagsiswimming na mga baduday. Oh, look at Arlo!
Once you get in, stop taking the back of the fight.
Sayang naman yung Crocs ng ate.
I know, I'm sorry. No.
Ayan, nawawala yung Crocs ni Ate Lenlen. So, ito na lang po. Naiwan, iisa na lang siya. Ayan. Yung aming isang baby naman dito, ayan, pagod na. Tutulog. Sarap ng tulog. Pagkising niya, magsiswimming din siya. Andun na po. Ayan.